Yo, what's up, guys? All right, listen. So apparently, starting March, Marvel Contest of Champions is getting a brand new currency called Essentia. Yeah, new currency. And before you roll your eyes, this one's actually kind of crazy. Because Essentia isn't just another currency. Kabam's basically saying, yeah, tired of giving you like 10 different currencies to manage. And they're smashing a bunch of them into one. Trophy tokens? Gone. Glory? Yep, part of it. Incursion Artifacts? Also getting folded in. All of that is getting merged into Essentia, which honestly, thank God, because my inventory right now looks like a junk drawer. Now here's the part where you really need to pay attention. If you take one thing from this video, it's this. Do not spend your currencies right now. I'm serious. If you have glory, trophy tokens, incursion artifacts, just sit on them. Hoard them like a dragon. Do not panic spend. Do not, I'll just buy this real quick. Because Kabam straight up hinted that by the end of February, all of this stuff is probably going to convert into Essentia. Now, do we know the conversion rate? Nope. Do we know how valuable Essentia will be in the new store? Also, nope. And that's exactly why spending right now is risky. There's a developer diary coming soon where they're supposed to break everything down. Conversion rates, store pricing, what Essentia can actually buy. But until that drops, spending any of these currencies is basically gambling. And knowing Kabam, you really don't want to gamble blind. What I do like, though, is the idea behind this. If Essentia really becomes this one-stop shop currency, that's actually a huge quality of life upgrade. Instead of bouncing between 3 different stores like, okay, this one uses glory, this one uses incursion stuff, this one uses trophy tokens. Now it's just Essentia. One store, one currency. Done. That's clean. That's actually exciting. So yeah, overall, I'm genuinely hyped for this. Cautiously hyped, but hyped. For now, the smartest play is simple. Save your glory, save your trophy tokens, save your incursion artifacts. Wait for the dev diary, see the conversion, then decide what to do. Trust me, future you will be very happy you didn't impulse spend right before a massive economy change. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more Marvel Contest of Champions updates. And yeah, let me know in the comments. Are you excited for Essentia, or are you scared Kabam's about to do something wild? I'll catch you in the next one.